Okay, so wacha tuanze kwanza na today trade. So the first thing you need to do, switch to the currency yenye unapenda. So I decided to only trade 3 currencies, so Euro USD, GPP and gold. Gold is XAU USD. So the first thing, go to Euro USD on 1 hour. Angalia 1 hour kenye imekuwa ikitendeka. So on 1 hour, what you need to check, you can check a lot of things depending on your strategy. But when I check on this currency, I can see there was an order block. Something like an order block. Sawa. So today, you can see these lines. So these lines are opening of the day. So this is the opening of the day today. This was opening of the day yesterday, and this will be the opening of the day tomorrow. So the opening of the day become the closing of the day. So this will be the closing of the day. So the market will close around this area and then open at this area. So the market opened here today, you can see here, and then it went up. Okay, it went to retest this level of, we call this level of resistance. So this level of resistance that the market went to retest. So not all resistance are profitable. You have to check only big resistance or strong support, which are called supply zone, supply zone. So this was a supply zone. Down here we call it a demand zone. So this was a supply zone. Okay, if you switch to 4 hours time frame, you can see clearly this is a downtrend market. So you need to trade with the trend. So this was a downtrend market, and that's why the market is selling. So switch to 15 minutes, and then on 15 minutes, what you need to do, check for change of character. Change of character, we call it chalk. Okay, chalk is the change of character. So where the change of character here, so this is the change of character. Here's where change of character happened. So it's not the break of structure, it's called the first lower low, because the market was making high highs. You can see the market was making high highs, so it was on uptrend from here. So the market has been an uptrend until there. Now the market want to sell. Now when the market want to sell, it will form something called the first lower low. It will form something called chalk. So chalk is the change of character. So we have change of character here, and then after that the market decided to go back and retest this order block. So we have a valid order block here. So the last green candle is our order block. The last green candle is our order block. So this is our order block. So you can see market went and retested that area, and then immediately after testing the order block there, because we had for a valid order block, 1, there must be a change of character. 2, there must be fair value gap, and 3, there must 3 is not a must, but if you happen to have a liquidity sweep. So you can see here on top here we have something like a liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep is just a form of a stop loss hunting. Okay, so a stop loss hunting happened around this area here. So you can see that it was making a new high but failed to make a new high. You can see breaking that level here to make a new high but failed, and then drop down to make a coach or change of character, and then now it came back up to retest the order block. So this was the first signal, or this was the first signal on 15 minutes. So immediately after that retest, you need to see a down movement. So you can see we had a sell here. You can see we had a sell, and then price went down. So how our entry now, after retest the order block, we go to 55 minutes now. We check for what? We check for a new break of structure. Now we look for a break of structure. Break of structure happened here. You can see here's where the break of structure happened, and our parabola indicated a sell signal. You can see parabola indicating a sell signal, so that was a sell. Stop loss above here. We put stop loss there, entry here, and then market dropped. Very nice. So if you saw this, let me know on the group. If you happen to see this setup, let me know on the group. So that was on 15-minute break of 15-minute order block setup. Now let's go to 3 minutes, our initial strategy. So today started around this area. So this is today. We started from here, and then currently we are here. Okay, so let's check on 3 minutes if we had a setup. So I told you about the two moving average, the first moving average, or the bigger moving average, this one, this green one here. So this is 100 moving average, and then the smaller one is 13 EMA. So when the price touch the 13, when the price touch the bigger one there on a sell trend, we sell. And when the price touches, okay, it didn't touch, but it's almost there. So this one didn't touch. This one is still far, so no entry here, but this one was almost touching, so we look for a buy. Let me see another one. We have another one here, but I don't take this one. We had another almost, because this is change of market direction. I don't take this most of the time. Okay, but I'll check and see if we can see something. So this was the first one. You go to 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. So the first one is this one. So you look for parabola confirming a sell. So we have a sell here. You wait for a pullback, and then you sell after break of structure, BOS. So you have a BOS BOS here. So this is the BOS, and then sell from there. Can see market went down small pips, so this is just a break even. Then stop loss, you know where to put stop loss. Stop loss just put above here, so stop loss or a bit wider. So this is a break even. Let's check the next one. So we have the next one here. So wait for parabola to confirm a buy from here, and then enter, because we already have a pullback. You can see we had the initial pullback. You can see here a nice pullback there before. So we already have a change of character with a new lower high, which make this entry valid. So we have a new lower high, there, and then change of character, not change of character, but break of structure, and then a buy. So you can see the buy was very nice. Buy from here to here. So this, all of this was a buy. So that's the second trade. And then the third trade, the one that I was saying that is not really close, this one now. So if we check 3 minutes, so this is the trade I'm talking about almost. So I'll close this one. So there you can see the price went below the 100 moving average, and then there was a crossover, simple moving a crossover, moving average crossover, indicating a sell. Price is changing from a buy trend to a sell trend. So this crossover is just an indication that the price is moving from an uptrend to downtrend. Then after that, we need a pullback for the price to touch the 100 moving average. After that, now when we have this pullback for the market to touch the 100, then we look for a sell entry on 1 minute. So go to the 1 minute, check a sell entry there, wait for parabola to give you a sell signal. So you can see parabola giving me a sell signal here, and then now wait for a small pullback. We had a pullback here, small pullback, and then enter after the break of structure. You can see the break of structure, small break of structure here, and then sell the trade. Stop loss above that. So you can see the price almost touched our stop loss but later dropped down. So this was another nice trade. So those are how many? 2, 1, 2, 3 trades on Euro USD plus the other one. So those are 4 trades. We could have lost how many? 0 loss, 1 break even, and 3 wins at rate of 1 to 2. So that's a very, 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 very nice setups. So let's check gold. Let's check gold. So I'll record for gold.